In the silence between atoms and stars, there is a whisper, the sound of creation remembering itself. It hums in the trembling of a single electron, spinning in its quiet orbit, and echoes in the slow waltz of galaxies spiraling through the void. The universe is not a place, but a story, a tale written in particles and light, in gravity's tender pull and the fierce pulse of exploding stars. Science is our lens, our map, our poetry, revealing the beauty that binds the smallest speck of matter to the farthest reaches of eternity. Imagine a single atom, invisible yet infinite, its electrons dancing in patterns older than time itself. Now picture a star, a billion such atoms ablaze, forging elements in its molten heart. Between these scales, the microscopic and the cosmic, lies a truth so vast it humbles us. We are not merely observers of this universe. We are its children, woven from its fabric, born to ask why. Today, we follow a stranger from beyond the stars, an interstellar wanderer named 3IATLAS, a fragment of another world that has crossed light years to speak to us. Its journey is not just a celestial event. It is a mirror, reflecting the beauty of science and the mystery of existence. What is this visitor? A relic of a forgotten star system? A messenger carrying secrets older than our sun? Its arrival challenges everything we thought we knew, whispering questions that resonate in the silence of space. As we trace its path, we will journey from the trembling edges of quantum fields to the radiant chaos of newborn galaxies, from the invisible forces that sculpt reality to the spark of life within us. This is not just the story of 3IATLAS. It is the story of everything, of atoms that dream, of stars that sing, of a universe that dares to know itself. 2. Chapter 1. The Architecture of the Invisible. Beneath every breath lies a cathedral of energy, electrons orbiting in quiet devotion, protons humming with the weight of creation. Atoms, the smallest bricks of reality, are not mere particles but symphonies of possibility. Within their delicate shells, quantum fields quiver, weaving the invisible threads that hold the universe together. Science tells us that atoms are mostly empty space, yet they are anything but hollow. They are alive with motion, with potential, with the restless energy of existence itself. Consider the electron, a speck so tiny it defies comprehension, yet it moves with purpose, governed by the strange laws of quantum mechanics. It does not simply exist, it dances, flickering between states, a ghost in the machine of reality. Quantum fields ripple beneath it, invisible waves that carry the secrets of creation. These fields are not abstract. They are the foundation of everything, the spark that ignites stars, the force that binds molecules, the whisper that shapes life. As we zoom inward, past the electron's orbit, we find the nucleus, a fortress of protons and neutrons, held together by the strong nuclear force, a power so immense it defies the repulsion of positive charges. This force, one of the four fundamental pillars of the universe, operates over distances smaller than a trillionth of a meter. Yet it is the glue that binds the heart of every atom. Without it, matter would dissolve, and the universe would unravel into chaos. But atoms are not solitary. They gather, they bond, they form molecules through the delicate interplay of electromagnetism, the force that governs attraction and repulsion. Picture a water molecule, two hydrogen atoms clinging to an oxygen atom, their electrons shared in a fragile embrace. This simple structure, born from quantum rules, gives us oceans, clouds, the breath of life itself. From the dance of particles comes the shape of stars, the rhythm of worlds, the possibility of us. Now, let us pull back. outward to the visitor that has captured our imagination. 3I/Atlas. This interstellar object, a fragment from beyond our solar system, is composed of atoms unlike any we know. Its nickel core, encased in layers of cyanide and organic compounds, suggests a history written in a foreign stellar alphabet. These atoms, forged in the heart of a distant star, have traveled for billions of years, carrying the story of their origin. As our telescopes trace their structure, we see not just matter, but a testament to the universe's unity. The same quantum laws that govern our atoms also shaped this wanderer from the void. 3. Chapter 2. The Birth of Light. In the beginning, there was nothing, and then everything. The Big Bang, 13.8 billion years ago, was not an explosion, but an unfolding, a sudden expansion of space and time. In that first fraction of a second, the universe was a sea of pure energy, too hot, too dense for matter to form. But as it cooled, particles emerged, quarks, electrons, the building blocks of reality, and with them came light. The first light, known as the cosmic microwave background, was a faint glow that filled the universe, a whisper of its birth. Today, we detect it as a hiss in our telescopes, a relic of creation's dawn. This light is not just a signal, it is a story, carrying the memory of a universe too young to know itself. As it cooled further, atoms formed, hydrogen, helium, the simplest elements, and with them, the stage was set for stars to ignite. Light is more than illumination. It is the language of time. Every photon we see today has traveled for eons, carrying messages from the past. When we gaze at 3I/Atlas, its strange luminosity speaks of a journey begun long before Earth existed. Its glow, brighter than our models predict, defies explanation. Is it merely reflecting sunlight, or is something else at play? A process we cannot yet name. Each photon it emits is a note in a cosmic symphony, a melody that began when the first stars flared into being. This visitor's light tells us of its alien origins. Unlike comets born in our solar system, 3I/Atlas radiates with an intensity that suggests an internal mechanism, perhaps triggered by distant cosmic events. As it passed Mars, its plasma coma, a glowing cloud of ionized gases, shimmered in response to forces we cannot fully grasp. Every photon we see today carries a message from the dawn, a reminder that light is not just a phenomenon, but a bridge between the universe's past and our present. Chapter 3. The Language of Forces. The universe speaks in 4 voices, 4 invisible laws that shape all that exists. Gravity, the gentle hand that pulls creation together, binds stars and galaxies across unimaginable distances. Electromagnetism, the rhythm of light and motion, weaves the dance of charged particles. The strong nuclear force locks atoms into being, while the weak nuclear force governs the decay that fuels stellar fires. Together, these forces are the verses in the song of everything. Gravity is the architect of the cosmos, sculpting the curves of space and time. It draws 3I/Atlas along its hyperbolic path, ensuring it will never return to our solar system. Yet its journey defies gravity's simple rules. Its velocity, its luminosity, its twin tails suggest forces beyond our understanding. Electromagnetism, meanwhile, paints its plasma coma with light, a glowing envelope that stretches 100,000 kilometers, shimmering as it interacts with our sun's particle wind. The strong and weak nuclear forces, though invisible at cosmic scales, are the foundation of 3I/Atlas's composition. Its nickel core, resistant to the ravages of interstellar space, speaks of nuclear stability forged in a distant star. The cyanide envelope, structured in ways that defy randomness, hints at processes we cannot yet name. These forces, acting in concert, connect the smallest atoms to the grandest galaxies, reminding us that the universe is a single, unbroken story. As 3I-ATLAS drifts through our solar system, it carries the signatures of these forces, a living testament to their universal reach. Its anomalies, the anti-tail bending toward the sun, the rhythmic brightness oscillations, challenge our models, suggesting a cosmic dialogue we are only beginning to hear. Chapter 4: The Cosmic Symphony. Zoom out now, far beyond our solar system, to the vast canvas of the cosmos. Galaxies spin like silent dancers, their arms woven from billions of stars. Each star is a furnace, forging elements in its heart, collapsing and exploding to seed the universe with the building blocks of worlds. The same harmony that binds an atom sculpts a galaxy, physics repeating its art across eternity. 3I-ATLAS, a wanderer from this cosmic stage, carries the marks of its origin. Its hyperbolic trajectory tells us it was born beyond our sun's grasp, perhaps in the debris of a shattered star system. As it passes, it interacts with the cosmic web, the invisible network of gravity and dark matter that holds galaxies together. Black holes, those silent giants, bend space itself, while 3I-ATLAS glides through, its plasma coma resonating with the echoes of distant novae. These stellar explosions, like the ones detected as 3I-ATLAS crossed Mars's orbit, are not mere coincidences. Their gamma rays, traveling for centuries, collide with the visitor's ionized cloud, altering its magnetic fields, bending its tails in ways that defy our physics. This is the universe in conversation, a symphony of energy and matter played across light years. 3I-ATLAS is not just a visitor. It is a note in this cosmic melody, a fleeting chord that resonates with the stars. Chapter 5: Chaos and Order. The universe is a dance of chaos and order, a balance written in the laws of entropy. Stars burn and die, their ashes scattering to form new worlds. In their decay, the universe learns how to begin again. The second law of thermodynamics tells us that disorder grows, yet from this chaos comes creation, planets, life, us. 3I-ATLAS embodies this paradox. Its structured composition, a nickel core, a cyanide envelope, organic molecules arranged with eerie precision, suggests order amidst the chaos of interstellar space. Its plasma coma, glowing with unnatural brightness, responds to forces we cannot predict, as if guided by an unseen hand. Is it a natural fragment, shaped by eons of cosmic chance, or something more? A relic of design, a message from the void. Entropy is both tragic and beautiful. It drives the death of stars, yet it allows life to emerge. As 3I-ATLAS drifts past Mars, its interactions with our sun's particle wind create a luminous chaos, a plasma cloud that dances with the energy of distant novae. This is not destruction, but transformation, a reminder that the universe is never still, always remaking itself. And from chaos came consciousness. The same forces that shaped 3I-ATLAS's journey gave rise to life, to minds that could ponder its meaning. We are the universe's way of reflecting on itself, a fleeting spark in the eternal dance of entropy and order. 7. Chapter 6: The Spark of Life. Every heartbeat is a cosmic echo. Atoms once part of a dying star now pulse within us. The elements in our bodies, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, were forged in stellar furnaces, scattered across the void and gathered into the earth. 3I-ATLAS carries similar elements, its organic molecules hinting at the chemistry that sparked life elsewhere. Is it a coincidence? Or a sign that the universe is seeded with the potential for life? From stardust came DNA, the delicate spiral that encodes our existence. Oceans formed from molecules born in the hearts of stars, and within those waters, life stirred. Evolution sculpted simple cells into creatures that could think, dream, and wonder. We are not separate from the cosmos. We are its continuation, atoms that learned to ask questions. 3IATLAS's composition, nickel, cyanide, complex organics, mirrors the building blocks of life. Its structured layers, resistant to the ravages of space, suggest a resilience that echoes the tenacity of life itself. As it passes through our solar system, it challenges us to consider, are we alone? Or is the universe alive with possibility? The spark of life, born in chaos, burns within us, and perhaps within this visitor from the stars. 8. Chapter 7. The Human Horizon. We build telescopes not to escape the Earth, but to find our reflection among the stars. Humanity's quest for understanding is not just science. It is wonder, curiosity, a longing to know our place in the cosmos. 3IATLAS, with its alien chemistry and mysterious behavior, is a mirror for that curiosity. It asks us to look beyond our assumptions, to question what we believe is possible. Science is not cold or detached. It is born from awe. Every equation, every measurement is a love letter to the universe, a way of saying, "We see you." As we study 3IATLAS, we are not just collecting data. We are listening to a story older than our species, a tale of atoms and stars, of forces and dreams. This visitor reminds us of our humility, our unity, our shared journey as seekers of truth. We are small, yet our minds reach across light years. We are fleeting, yet our questions echo through time. 3I/Atlas, with its impossible tales and rhythmic emissions, challenges us to think boldly, to imagine a universe where intelligence might not be ours alone. In its passage, we see not just an object, but a possibility, a glimpse of the infinite horizon that awaits us. 9. Epilogue. The universe within. We are atoms that learned to dream, galaxies that learned to see. 3I/Atlas, a wanderer from the void, carries within it the same forces that shaped our world. Gravity's pull, electromagnetism's dance, the nuclear fires that forge matter. Its journey mirrors our own, a quest through darkness, guided by light, seeking meaning in the vastness of existence. As it fades from our telescopes, 3IATLAS leaves us with questions. Is it a natural relic shaped by the blind hand of physics, or something more, a crafted artifact, a message from a mind we cannot yet fathom? Its twin tails, its rhythmic pulses, its structured chemistry whisper of patterns we are only beginning to understand. Perhaps the truth lies not in answers, but in the act of questioning itself. The universe is not a distant thing. It is within us. Every atom in our bodies, every thought in our minds is a piece of the cosmic story. Science reveals this connection, not as a cold fact, but as a profound beauty, a reminder that we are part of something greater, something eternal. As 3IATLAS drifts back into the void, it carries our curiosity with it, a spark of human wonder cast into the infinite. Perhaps the universe's greatest creation was not matter or stars, but awareness itself, the ability to look, to question, to dream. In the silence between atoms and stars, we hear its whisper. We are the universe, and the universe is us.